Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see how to find the total fixed cost, total variable cost and the marginal cost for the given questions. Okay, so before going into the questions, so there are few things that you have to know. So the first one is total fixed cost. Okay, so total fixed cost is equal to the value of the cost when the output is zero. Okay, so that means what I am saying is, so for example, for manufacturing of this pen, there will be two costs involved, that is fixed cost and variable cost. Okay, fixed cost will always remain same irrespective of the output. Okay, so and variable cost will depend for number of outputs, number of units produced. Okay, so total cost will always be the sum of fixed cost plus variable cost. In that fixed cost, okay, so the fixed cost value will be equal to the value of the cost when the output is zero. Okay, so we have seen this. Yeah, so now we have seen what is total fixed cost. Okay, so total fixed cost means value of the cost when the output is zero. Then total cost. So total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Okay, so these two things over. Then come to the next things, which is average fixed cost. Okay, so we all know that average is equal to sum divided by quantity, right? Average is equal to like total by like total observations divided by number of observations, right? So that's the same. Okay, average fixed cost means total fixed cost divided by quantity. Okay, then average variable cost is total variable cost divided by quantity. And the last one, average total cost, that is equal to total cost divided by quantity. Okay, so next one, this marginal cost. Okay, so marginal cost is nothing but change in total cost divided by change in quantity. So that means, for example, you can say that this is the quantity and this is the total cost observed, total cost. So for one quantity, it is 10 rupees. For two quantities, it is 30 rupees, means marginal cost that will be equal to TC2 minus TC1 divided by Q2 minus Q1. That is 30 minus 10 divided by 2 minus 1. So that is equal to 20. Okay. So for example, if you see, if quantity is 1 and if the quantity here it is 3. Okay, for example, total cost for one quantity is 10 and total cost for 3 quantity, let it be 30. Okay. So now what is the marginal cost? Marginal cost is equal to TC2. Like it's not like TC2 means second one and TC1 means first one. So it's like this value and this value. Okay, I am taking the next subsequent values. Okay, so here it will be what? TC3 minus TC1 divided by quantity of 3 minus quantity 1. Okay, like what I am trying to say is the difference of these two values and the difference of these two values. Okay, so we just have to divide them. Okay, that's what I am trying to explain. Okay. So it will be 30 minus 10 divided by 3 minus 1. So that is 20 by 2, which is equal to 10. Okay. So I think now you are clear with all these things. Okay. So what is total cost? Total cost is total fixed cost plus variable cost. Then average fixed, average variable, average total. Okay. So remember the formula for these things. Marginal cost is, so we have to take the subsequent values and we just have to subtract them and subtract the cost divided by the quantity. Okay, so that's what I am explaining. So this is the question. Okay, now we, for this question we have to find all these values. Okay, so the question is, see, they have given a output and they have given the total cost. Okay, so I have written the quantity and the like output and quantity both are same. Okay, and I have written the total cost. Okay, first what I have to find, I have like I want to fill these remaining columns. So total fixed cost. So in the like beginning itself I explained total fixed cost is nothing but the value of the output, the value of cost when the output is equal to 0. See, when the output is 0, the total cost is 30. So 30 is the fixed cost. Okay. So 30 fixed cost is same for all the things. Okay. So for in this column, I am going to write 30 for all the things. 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, and 30. Okay. So next one is total variable cost. Okay. So this total fixed cost plus total variable cost will be equal to total cost. So here there is no variable cost involved. So here it will be here 30. So I want 50 means so variable cost is 20. Here it is 30. Here it will be 51. So here it will be 88, right? Yes. So it is 88. And then here it will be 150. Okay. Now just a minute. Now average fixed cost. So what is average fixed cost? It is total fixed cost divided by quantity. Okay. So 30 by 0 it will be, so don't put the value. Okay, don't put 30 divided by 0, so don't put infinity and all. So it's just you put dash. Now here it will be 30, 15, 10. So it will be 7.5, right? It will be 7.5. So it will be 6. Okay. Next one. Average variable cost. So average variable cost is nothing but total variable cost divided by quantity. Okay. So this one will, we don't have any value for this. It will be 20. It will be 15. 51 by 3, it will be 17. Then here it is 22. 150 divided by 5, it will be 30. Now, average, oh sorry, it's not average cost, it's like average total cost. Okay, maybe a smaller one. It's average total cost. Okay, so average total cost is nothing but total cost divided by quantity. Okay, so it will be, we don't have any value for this. Then, for this, it is what? 50 by 1, it is 50, 60 by 2, 30, then 81 divided by 3. So it will be 27, then 118 divided by 4, 2, 8, 3, 39, 38. So 9 4 are 36, 37, 38. So 29.5, 180 by 5, 18 by 5, 82 are 36. Okay. Now, marginal cost. So, marginal cost means what I have told. So, marginal cost is change in total cost divided by change in quantity. See here, change in quantity is always 1, right? See, each subsequent quantity is increased by 1 only. So, we don't need to worry about the denominator. So, we can just simply subtract the total cost and we can write the answer. So, here it will be 50 minus 30, 20. 60 minus 50, it is 10. 81 minus 60, 21. 118 minus 81. So, it will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 37, right? Then 180 minus 118, 20, 60, 62. Okay. So, these are the values. See. This is the answer. And now what we have to do? We have to represent this answer in the form of graph. Okay. So if we represent the values in the graph, this will be the graph we will be getting. Okay. So what I did, I made a separate graph for total fixed cost, total variable cost, and total cost. Okay. For these things, for these three things, I made a different graph. And this average fixed cost, average variable cost, average total cost, and marginal cost. These four things I included in a separate graph. Okay. So the graph will be like this only. Then we have another one question. It's like just like a Sudoku puzzle. Okay. So now we are given only few values in this question. See, here we have 100, 50, 30, 1, 2, 7 like this. Only few numbers are given. we have to fill the remaining values. Okay, so we all know what is the formula for all these things. Like total cost means total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Marginal cost is change in total cost by change in quantity. So these formulas we know, and we also know that fixed cost will be same for all the quantities, right? So if this is 100, it will always 100 is for all the values. Okay, so don't ask question like, sir, output is 1, here it is 100. You told fixed cost means our value of the output when the quantity is 0. It's not like that. Fixed cost is same for all the things. Okay, if quantity, like here, what they have given for one quantity, they have given 100. Okay, if there is no, for here, if they didn't give value, for example, if there is a value for 0 and they have given 100 means, then we will take total fixed cost is 0. But no, what I'm trying to explain is total fixed cost is same for everything. Okay, if you find one value for total fixed cost, if that is same for everything. Okay, if total fixed cost value is not directly given, then in that case, the output quantity 0 will be given, and that for the 0 quantity output, there will be some cost associated. That is the fixed cost. Okay. So we filled this fixed cost. Now total cost is nothing but total fixed cost plus variable cost. So here it will be 150. Then what is the marginal cost? See, for this, there won't be any value in the first row, right? Average fixed, for average and marginal values, there won't be anything in the first column. No. There will be values. Sorry. I made a mistake. It is not 0, right? Okay, now marginal cost is given. So marginal cost only for first one, there won't be any value. Okay, now what I want to find? So here they have given 30. That means this minus this divided by 2 minus 1, that will give me 30. So here it is 180, right? That's the pen. Here it is 180. See, now you are getting right. If I put 180 here marginal cost for second one will be 30, right? Because 180 minus 150, it will be 30 because output is increasing by 1 unit only. So don't worry about denominator. So if 150 is here and 30 is here means it will be 180. See, if 180 is the total cost means for this one, the variable cost is 80, right? For average fixed cost, like we can fill these values also. Average fixed cost is nothing but total fixed cost by quantity. So it is 100 by 1, that is 100. Average variable cost 50 divided by 1, 50. Average total cost 150 by 1, it is 150. Now for this second, for 2 quantity output, average fixed cost is 100 divided by 2. Okay, 100 by 2, that is 50. This is 80 by 2, that is 40. It is 180 divided by 2, that is 90. Okay, we filled these two values. Now what we can fill? See, here they have given 40. 40 means that is what? Total variable cost divided by quantity is what? Okay, so that is total variable cost divided by 3. So total variable cost will be what? 40 multiplied by 3, right? So total variable cost will be 4 3 are 120. Are you getting or not? How I put this 120? See what they have given for quantity 3. They have given average variable cost is equal to 40. We know that average variable cost is equal to what? Total variable cost divided by quantity. So 40 is equal to total variable cost by 3. So total variable cost is equal to 120. That's what I written here. Okay. So 100 plus 120 it will 220. So marginal cost will be 220 minus 180. That is 40. Average fixed cost is what? 100 by 3. That is 33.33. Next one, 200. This one, average total cost is 220 divided by 3. 73.333. Okay. Next one. Total cost is 270, fixed cost is 100 means variable cost is 170. What is the marginal cost? Marginal cost is 270 minus 220, that is 50. Okay. Average fixed cost is 100 by 4, that is 25. Average variable cost is 170 divided by 4, that is 4 was 16, balance 1, 42.5. Then here it will be 270 divided by 4. 27 na 6 4s are 24, balance 3, 30 on the 37, 67.5, right? 7 4s are 28, 67.5. Then how we will do this? Here they have given average total cost. Okay, for Q5. So average total cost is nothing but total cost divided by quantity. So 70 is equal to total cost divided by 5. So total cost is equal to 350. Okay, so total cost is 350. If total cost is 350, fixed is 100, so it will be 250. Marginal cost is what? 350 minus 270. 30, it is 80. So average fixed cost is 100 by 5, that is 20. Average variable cost, that is 250 by 5, that is 50. Okay. See, this is the answer. Very easy question, this one. Okay, guys, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.